Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Adobe Express. Whether you're creating a professional design or simply want to add a creative touch to your photos, blurring can help draw attention to specific elements or create a beautiful soft focus effect. Let's walk through this process, step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Adobe Express homepage where you can begin creating your project. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. This will open up a menu with various design options. From here, select Custom Size, which gives you the flexibility to define your own dimensions for the project. A dialog box will appear where you can adjust the width and height according to your preferences. Once you've set your desired dimensions, click Create New File to proceed. This sets up your blank canvas ready for your image. Next, turn your attention to the left panel of the screen where you'll see several options. Click on Upload to bring your image into Adobe Express. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Select the image you want to blur and then click Open to import it into your project. The image will now appear on your canvas. You might need to resize the image to fit your canvas properly, so feel free to drag the corners or edges to adjust it accordingly. This ensures your image sits perfectly within your design space. With your image in place, return to the left panel and click on Adjust. Here you'll find various editing tools. Navigate to the blur option and you'll see a slider appear. Simply drag this slider to the right to increase the blur effect across your entire image. This is perfect if you want a uniform blur throughout. Alternatively, if you want to blur only a specific portion of your image, here's what you need to do. Click on the image itself, then right-click to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Duplicate. This creates a copy of your image layer, which you can work with separately. Make sure to adjust the duplicated image so it has the same size and position as the original. This alignment is crucial for the effect to work seamlessly. Now comes the important part. Crop the duplicated image to isolate only the portion you want to blur. This might be a background element, a face, or any specific area that needs softening. Once you've cropped the section, navigate back to the left panel and click on Adjust again. Use the blur slider to apply the effect specifically to this cropped portion. This technique gives you precise control over which parts of your image remain sharp and which areas get that beautiful blurred look. And there you have it, you've successfully blurred your image in Adobe Express using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.